On December 26, 2024, China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation (CAC) achieved a significant milestone in military aviation with the successful second flight of its sixth-generation fighter designated J-36. This flight took place in Chengdu and coincided with the birthday of Mao Zedong, the founding father of the People's Republic of China, adding a layer of historical significance to the event. The J-36 is designed to enhance China's military aviation capabilities and is part of a broader strategy to modernize its armed forces by 2035. Key developments leading to the J-36. Maiden flight and initial testing. The journey towards the J-36 began in January 2019 when pre-research efforts commenced. The development of the J-36 followed extensive planning, including the submission of 8 design proposals by CAC in 2018, with 4 undergoing wind tunnel tests. The first prototype was spotted in October 2021, showcasing a tailless design that is expected to optimize performance and stealth capabilities. The J-36 made its maiden flight on December 26, 2024, accompanied by a J-20S fighter serving as a chaseplane. Observers captured videos and images highlighting the aircraft's tailless flying wing design and advanced features. The successful flight has been seen as a testament to China's rapid advancements in military aviation technology, narrowing the gap with global powers like the United States. Aircraft specifications. The J-36 is a large aircraft with advanced specifications. Length, 22.5 meters. Wingspan, 24 meters. Maximum takeoff weight, 55 tons. Combat radius, approximately 3,000 kilometers. Maximum speed, Mach 2.5. The design features a trijet configuration with advanced stealth technology, including radar-absorbent materials and a low observable exhaust system. This is expected to significantly enhance its stealth capabilities compared to existing fifth-generation fighters. Technical innovations. The J-36 incorporates several cutting-edge technologies. Flying wing design. This design reduces drag and enhances maneuverability and stealth. Advanced fly-by-wire systems. These systems allow for complex and agile maneuvers, increasing the aircraft's combat effectiveness. Weapons systems. The J-36 has a large internal weapons bay capable of housing long-range missiles such as the PL-17 and supports both air-to-air and air-to-ground operations. It is also equipped with advanced electronic warfare capabilities, enhancing its operational versatility. Strategic implications. The J-36 is poised to play a critical role in China's military modernization strategy, challenging the air dominance of the United States and other global powers. Its advanced design and capabilities suggest that it could serve as a key component in the People's Liberation Army Air Force's PLAAF future operations, particularly in air superiority and strike missions. Analysts have noted that the aircraft's development reflects China's focus on technological advancements and the integration of unmanned systems into aerial operations. The J-36 is expected to operate in conjunction with drones and other networked assets, supporting a new paradigm in aerial combat that emphasizes beyond visual range engagements and network-centric warfare. Ongoing development and future prospects. The successful second flight of the J-36 marks a critical step in its testing and validation process. While the aircraft's design and specifications have been publicly discussed, many details regarding its capabilities and operational roles remain classified. The continued testing will focus on refining its stealth characteristics, expanding its operational capabilities, and integrating advanced propulsion systems. As development progresses, the J-36's impact on global military aviation will be closely monitored. Its emergence signifies China's commitment to advancing its military technology and may lead to shifts in international security dynamics, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. Conclusion. The flight of the J-36 represents a significant leap for China's military aviation capabilities, reflecting a broader trend of modernization within the PLA. as the aircraft continues to undergo testing and evaluation. Its advanced features and potential roles in future combat scenarios will contribute to shaping the future of aerial warfare and international military strategy. The global defense community will remain vigilant in observing the developments surrounding the J-36 and its implications for military aviation worldwide. Counterintuitive information identified in the content regarding China's J-36 sixth-generation fighter includes 1. Historical significance versus technological advancement. While the successful second flight of the J-36 coincided with Mao Zedong's birthday, highlighting a historical perspective, it also underscores a more pragmatic focus on technological advancement. This juxtaposition may suggest that while China values its historical milestones, the urgency and emphasis on advancing military capabilities take precedence in contemporary strategic considerations. 2. Public perception versus official acknowledgement. Despite the significant attention the J-36 has garnered on social media and defense circles, including videos and images of its flight, there has been no official confirmation or acknowledgement from Chinese state media or military authorities. This difference between public excitement and official silence may imply a strategic approach to information dissemination, suggesting that China may prioritize operational security over public relations. 3. Stealth technology and traditional design. The J-36's tailless design is intended to enhance its stealth capabilities and overall performance, which contrasts with traditional fighter design principles that prioritize maneuverability. This shift in design philosophy illustrates a broader trend in military aviation, where the emphasis on stealth and technological integration may challenge conventional notions of what constitutes effective air combat. For role debate. While the J-36 is primarily framed as a next-generation air superiority fighter, there are conflicting opinions within defense analysis circles regarding its potential as a bomber or a multi-role platform. This ambiguity indicates that even among experts, there is a lack of consensus about the aircraft's role, which counters the expectation that advanced military technology would have clearly defined capabilities and missions. 5. Global response versus domestic development. The emergence of the J-36 raises questions about its impact on global military dynamics and the responses it may elicit from other nations, particularly the United States. However, the focus on domestic development and the assertion of national defense capabilities may suggest that China is less concerned with direct competition and more focused on building an independent military framework that could operate effectively in various global contexts. 6. Sixth-generation classification. There is ongoing debate regarding whether the J-36 should be classified definitively as a sixth-generation fighter. Some analysts prefer to describe it as a next-generation aircraft, reflecting a broader uncertainty about the specifications and characteristics that differentiate generations of military aircraft. This challenges the assumption that technological advancements can be easily categorized into distinct generational frameworks. 7. Technological ambiguity. The J-36 incorporates many advanced technologies, yet many specifications remain unknown or unverified, including the types of engines and specific avionics. This ambiguity in technological details contrasts with the expectation that advanced military programs would provide clear and transparent insights into their capabilities, suggesting that military secrecy and strategic ambiguity remain critical components of modern military development. These counterintuitive elements highlight the complex interplay between historical context, technological innovation, public perception, and strategic military planning in the development of China's J-36 fighter jet. The report on China's J-36 sixth-generation fighter highlights several crucial aspects that are likely to be overlooked by many readers, yet carry significant implications for military aviation and international security dynamics. Here are the key overlooked elements and their significance. 1. Historical context of the maiden flight. The report notes that the successful second flight of the J-36 took place on December 26, 2024, coinciding with the birthday of Mao Zedong. This historical context is often overlooked but is significant for several reasons. First, it emphasizes the symbolism of military achievements in Chinese culture, where historical dates are often used to commemorate progress and nationalism. The choice of date for the flight suggests that the Chinese government may be leveraging this milestone to galvanize public support for its military modernization efforts. This connection to Mao also invokes the legacy of the Communist Party's revolutionary history, reinforcing the narrative of continuous advancement and strength in national defense. 2. Technical innovations of the J-36. The report details various technical specifications and innovations of the J-36, including its tailless design, trijet configuration, and advanced stealth technology. However, the significance of these innovations lies in their potential to shift the balance of air combat. The J-36's emphasis on stealth and advanced maneuverability could render existing air defense systems less effective, posing a challenge not only to regional rivals but also to established air powers like the United States. The integration of advanced materials that enhance stealth capabilities is particularly noteworthy, as it reflects a leap in technology that could redefine aerial engagements. 3. Electronic warfare and network integration. The mention of the J-36's advanced electronic warfare capabilities and its potential role as a command platform for drone swarms is another critical area that deserves more attention. This aspect highlights a broader trend in modern warfare where aerial platforms are not just engaged in traditional air-to-air combat but also serve as hubs for coordinating operations involving unmanned systems. The ability to integrate and control unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs) enhances the J-36's utility in complex battlefield environments, allowing for a more flexible and responsive military strategy. This capability could change how air forces engage in combat, shifting the focus from individual aircraft to networked systems that can operate in concert. 4. Role within China's military modernization strategy. While the report mentions that the J-36 is part of China's broader military modernization strategy, the implications of its development for regional security dynamics are significant. The J-36 is not merely a technological achievement, it symbolizes China's growing capabilities to project military power beyond its borders. As the J-36 enters service, it could lead to an arms race in the Asia-Pacific region, prompting neighboring countries to enhance their own air capabilities. This could destabilize existing power balances and lead to increased tensions, particularly in contested areas such as the South China Sea and around Taiwan. 5. Debate over classification as a sixth-generation fighter. The classification of the J-36 as a sixth-generation fighter is contentious and indicates a shifting paradigm in military aviation. The debate about whether the J-36 meets the criteria for sixth-generation status reflects broader discussions within defense communities worldwide about what defines advanced fighter capabilities. This is significant because it shapes perceptions of military capabilities and technological advancements. As countries like the US and its allies continue to develop their own next-generation platforms, the classification and perceived capabilities of the J-36 could influence defense strategies and procurement policies in other nations. 6. Impact on global military aviation development. The emergence of the J-36 may accelerate the pace of military aviation development globally, as China closes the technological gap with Western nations. It could prompt a re-evaluation of defense spending and strategic priorities in countries that view China as a potential threat. This development underscores the interconnected nature of global defense landscapes, where advancements in one nation's military capabilities can lead to strategic shifts in others. The J-36 could serve as a catalyst for innovation and modernization among other military powers, potentially leading to a new era in aerial warfare. In summary, the significance of the J-36's development extends beyond its technical specifications and test flights. The historical context, technological innovations, electronic warfare capabilities, implications for regional security, debates over classification, and global military dynamics are all critical factors that merit closer examination. Understanding these elements will be essential for comprehending the future trajectory of military aviation and international relations in a rapidly evolving security landscape. 1. Technical innovations and specifications. The J-36 fighter jet incorporates cutting-edge technologies that set it apart from previous generations. Its design features a tailless double-delta flying wing configuration optimized for both stealth and aerodynamic efficiency. The aircraft boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 55 tons, a wingspan of approximately 24 meters, and a combat radius of about 3,000 kilometers. Furthermore, it employs advanced radar-absorbent materials and a low observable exhaust design, enhancing its stealth capabilities against enemy radar detection. The integration of a sophisticated fly-by-wire system and tri-jet propulsion configuration allows for highly agile maneuvers, positioning the J-36 as a formidable next-generation combat platform. 2. Strategic implications for global military aviation. The successful flight of the J-36 marks a pivotal moment in China's military aviation strategy, reflecting its ambitions to challenge U.S. air dominance. The aircraft is designed to operate alongside unmanned systems, indicating a shift towards network-centric warfare. As it aims to fulfill roles in both air superiority and strike missions, the J-36 enhances China's ability to project power and maintain air superiority over greater distances. This development has significant implications for international security dynamics, compelling other nations to reconsider their aerial combat strategies and air defense systems in response to China's advancements. 3. Historical context and symbolism. The timing of the J-36's maiden flight on December 26, 2024, coinciding with the birthday of Mao Zedong, imbues the event with historical significance for China. This alignment suggests a deliberate effort to frame the J-36's emergence within a narrative of national strength and technological progress. Analysts have noted that such historical symbolism may be intended to rally domestic support and signal to the world China's growing military capabilities. The flight underscores China's commitment to advancing its military technology and serves as a reminder of its aspirations to be a leader in global aviation. For ongoing debates and future prospects, the classification of the J-36 as a sixth-generation fighter remains a topic of debate among analysts. While some view it as a direct competitor to the U.S. Air Force's Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, others argue that its exact capabilities and role within the People's Liberation Army (PLA) are still unclear. The J-36's development trajectory, including the potential incorporation of advanced propulsion technologies and electronic warfare systems, will be closely monitored. As testing continues, the aircraft may redefine standards for future combat aircraft design and performance, influencing global military aviation trends and prompting other nations to accelerate their own advancements in aerial combat technology. 1. The development of the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a fifth-generation fighter jet that made its first flight in 1997. It represents a significant leap in aviation technology, focusing on stealth speed and agility. The F-22 was designed to counter emerging threats and maintain air superiority similar to the goals of China's J-36. Its advanced avionics, supercruise capability, and integrated sensor systems set a new standard in military aviation, paralleling the technological ambitions behind the J-36. 2. The Eurofighter Typhoon program. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multinational project involving the UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain, aimed at creating a versatile multi-role fighter aircraft. Its development began in the 1980s, with the first flight occurring in 1994. The Typhoon features advanced aerodynamics, agility, and a suite of cutting-edge avionics and weapons systems. The collaborative nature of its development and its role in modern aerial combat echo the strategic advancements China aims to achieve with the J-36. 3. The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. The Su-57, Russia's fifth-generation fighter jet, represents a major milestone in Russian military aviation with its maiden flight in 2010. Designed for air superiority and ground attack missions, the Su-57 incorporates stealth technology, supermaneuverability, and advanced avionics. Its development process, marked by both technological challenges and geopolitical implications, mirrors China's pursuit of the J-36 as a means to enhance its military capabilities and assert itself in global airpower dynamics. The successful second flight of China's J-36 sixth-generation fighter on December 26, 2024, marks a pivotal moment in military aviation with significant implications for the future of aerial warfare and global security dynamics. As this aircraft continues its development, several key predictions can be made about its potential impact and the broader context of military aviation. 1. Advancements in military aviation technology. The J-36 is expected to usher in a new era of military aviation characterized by advanced technologies. With its tailless design, trijet configuration, and emphasis on stealth, the J-36 will likely set new benchmarks for combat aircraft. Future generations of fighter jets may adopt similar design philosophies, emphasizing reduced radar signatures, enhanced maneuverability, and greater operational range. This trend will push global competitors to accelerate their own military aviation programs, leading to a technological arms race. 2. Shift in air combat dynamics. The J-36's capabilities will redefine air combat strategies. Its advanced electronic warfare systems and networking capabilities suggest a move towards integrated air combat scenarios where manned and unmanned systems operate in concert. This shift will likely prioritize beyond visual range engagements over traditional dogfighting, changing how air forces train and equip their pilots. Future air combat might focus on situational awareness, data sharing, and rapid decision-making rather than sheer aerial agility. 3. Geopolitical implications. China's advancements in military aviation, exemplified by the J-36, will significantly affect regional and global power dynamics. The aircraft's capabilities are designed to challenge U.S. air superiority, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. As China enhances its military capabilities, neighboring countries may feel compelled to bolster their own defenses, potentially leading to an arms buildup in Asia. This could heighten tensions in areas like the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait, prompting a re-evaluation of defense strategies by the U.S. and its allies. 4. Integration of unmanned systems. The J-36 is expected to play a crucial role in a broader networked military strategy that includes unmanned combat air vehicles (UCAVs). This integration will allow for more flexible and responsive air operations. Future conflicts may see swarms of drones operating alongside advanced manned aircraft, creating complex challenges for adversaries' air defense systems. The J-36's ability to command these unmanned systems could position it as a pivotal platform in future military engagements. 5. Global military modernization. China's investment in the J-36 reflects a broader trend of military modernization among major global powers. As countries like the US, Russia, and NATO members respond to China's advancements, we may witness increased funding and accelerated timelines for next-generation aircraft programs worldwide. This could lead to a new wave of military innovation and competition, impacting not just air forces but also ground and naval capabilities as nations seek comprehensive deterrence strategies. 6. Evolving definitions of combat aircraft. As the J-36 blurs the lines between traditional fighter roles, the definition of what constitutes a fighter aircraft may evolve. Future military doctrine may prioritize versatility, with platforms designed for air superiority, strike missions, and command roles. The J-36 could serve as a prototype for a new category of combat aircraft that emphasizes multi-role capabilities, influencing how future aircraft are designed and classified. 7. Shift in defense procurement strategies. The emergence of advanced platforms like the J-36 will likely prompt shifts in defense procurement strategies globally. Countries may prioritize acquiring or developing advanced technologies that enhance their military capabilities, leading to increased collaboration and partnerships in defense research and development. This shift could also affect the defense industry landscape as nations seek to foster domestic capabilities in response to perceived threats. 8. Focus on stealth and signature management. The J-36's emphasis on stealth technology will drive future designs towards even greater signature reduction. This trend may lead to innovations in materials and aerodynamic configurations aimed at minimizing detection by adversaries. Consequently, air defense systems will also need to evolve, focusing on advanced detection technologies that can counteract increasingly stealthy platforms. Conclusion. The future of military aviation as exemplified by the J-36 is set to be dynamic and challenging. With advancements in technology, shifts in combat strategies, and evolving geopolitical landscapes, countries will need to adapt rapidly to maintain their strategic advantages. The J-36 is not just a new fighter jet, it represents a transformative moment in how nations approach airpower and military capabilities in the 21st century. As development progresses, the implications of the J-36 for international security and defense strategies will unfold, shaping the future of aerial warfare for years to come.